Welcome friends, in this session we are going to see the seventh program of Statistical Machine Learning for DS. Question is, you are comparing the average daily sales between two stores. Store A has a mean daily sales value of $1,000 with a standard deviation of $100 over 30 days, and store B has a mean daily sales value of $950 with a standard deviation of $120 over 30 days. Conduct a two sample t-test to determine if there is a significant difference between the average sales of the two stores at the 5% significance level. Let's refer to the VTU circles. Seventh program. The seventh program. See here we are using sci-fi and math modules. Just copying this code. Search for ideally and just open new file, paste the code, and then Control S to save. Saving with SML 7 as it is seventh program. Just click on run button. See, this is the output. Let's see the required output. Okay, you can verify the output. It is similar to the VTU circles output. Thank you for watching.